country. I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to
Welcome
the
back,
country.
8:43 on your Thursday. Coloradans, they wait for them every summer. The peach crop. Well, it's here, and it's bumper crop this year up at Palisades.
So today we are in the Fox 41 kitchen cooking up peaches and putting it on a dinner dish. So we're joined with celebrity chef. We've got Mark here from Appliance Factory. Thanks for joining us.
Happy to be here.
All right, so this is an interesting twist. We're going to do something sweet and something savory
exactly.
together.
It's a savory thing. It's peach chutney. This is something that you can make when you have a ton of peaches. You can can it, save it for the winter, and it holds in your refrigerator for weeks. So we've got Cajun pork loin, which has got that spice, and then we've got
Here's the chutney.
The chutney, right? So let me show you the ingredients here. It's
You're
brown.
so fancy, Mark.
Thank you. Yeah, I've got brown sugar, mustard seeds, onion, which I chop up, vinegar, jalapeno, ginger, and the peaches, right?
All right.
And the peaches are the star of the show.
So we've got to ask, Palisade peaches, very popular here in Colorado, but how common is it to cook with peaches? Most of the time I just think of eating peaches by themselves.
Yeah, you know, what about peach cobbler? You know, you put them in pies. They hold up really well when you're using them for sweet and savory
Drew's
applications.
peaches come from a can.
Hey now, hey now.
All right, how do we
Maybe
cut
in your
a
life.
peach?
All right, here's how you cut a peach, all right? So what I do is I walk my peach up the knife, and these are freestone peaches, which means when you pull this open, this will pop right out. If you have a clean stone peach, it's stuck to the inside. Those are better for eating. I think these are better for cooking.
Okay.
Yeah, so I dice this, I saute all this stuff, but here's the star of the show, all right? I've got my pork loin here, which I sous vide, right?
Right
Hey,
over
since
there.
Megan picked on me, I knew what sous vide was.
I did
She
not know.
Yeah.
So I'm getting you back
in
there.
full disclosure here. So this is a water bath cooking method, and I went ahead and just gave this a quick sear. And you can see how tender this is.
Yeah.
Look at that. And that's the magic of sous vide.
So you cook it in the sous vide, which is in the water, and then you sear it right after that.
Right.
That's
so
what it does.
I vacuum pack this.
Because it has to stay in the bag, right?
It has to stay in the bag. I pull that out.
And that cooks it enough, but you just want to put the sear on the end.
Just to give it a little bit of texture.
There you go.
Yeah, so watch this. It's exactly right. We're going to have the recipe for you guys, and sous vide is a lot of fun. And, you know, it sounds like it's really exotic, and it used to be. It used to be only in restaurants, but now you can, anybody at home can do the sous vide thing. Here's the chutney. I've got the peach barbecue sauce. Can't live without that.
Man.
Look at that.
Peach barbecue sauce. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I roast peaches and I puree this with regular barbecue sauce. It's really two ingredients.
Okay.
All right,
we're
let's see
getting
how
in
we
there.
did here. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Look how tender. Yeah, don't be shy,
I'm
right? I
digging
like
in.
this.
No,
yeah.
I'm digging in.
I think this is going to be great.
And you got to pair them together.
You got to
Get
pair
some
them together.
peach
You
and
got to
some
get a
pork.
little bit
so
of
good.
each. So you get the sweet, you get the spicy. You're taking advantage of the bounty of the season. It's seasonal. This is something that's super easy to make. It's what's for dinner tonight.
You know, I was expecting the chutney to be very sweet because peaches are sweet, and it's not too sweet.
I can taste
It's
the
perfect
jalapenos.
with that.
Yeah, you can
Big
taste the
time.
jalapeno, and it's the vinegar and the sugar. When you combine these two, you make something that's known as a gastric, right? And it gives it that sweet sour thing. It really makes the taste buds fire, and that's the key to this dish.
So do you think we should save Greg some of this?
No.
No? All right.
no.
Let's send it on to Greg. You don't get
We'll put the
any.
recipe on the website, too. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
Thank you.
I'll just make it for myself then if the recipe is on the web. Geez, guys, I know I'm working on